Hi everyone! Tonight for supper I'll be making corndog casserole. What all goes into the corndog casserole? 28-ounce can of baked beans, 16 ounces of cocktail weenies. I have 14 ounces, but it'll work. Or you can use 16 ounces of regular hot dogs and cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces. 1/2 cup of sweet barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's sweet and spicy. 1/2 cup finely chopped onion. Now that's for the casserole part. For the topping, 8.5 ounce box of corn muffin mix, 1/2 cup milk, and 1 egg. And certain cornbread mixes call for 2 tablespoons melted butter. This one did not, so I'm not going to be using it. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a large pan and combine all of the ingredients for the casserole in the large pan. 28 ounces of baked beans, and I have just the original flavor. The 16 ounces of the cocktail wieners, or little smokies. I have 14 ounces. The 1/2 cup of sweet barbecue sauce, and the 1/2 cup finely chopped onion, and cook that over medium-high heat until it's bubbly. When the casserole ingredients are heated up and are bubbly, pour it into your 8-inch pan or 2-quart casserole dish. Going to stir it so it's all mixed in so that the wieners are not all in one spot. I'm going to set that aside and we're going to make the cornbread. Mix your cornbread as per package directions. So dump in your cornbread mix, your 1 egg, and your 1/2 cup of milk, and mix that until just combined. And after you mix it, let it rest for 3 to 4 minutes. So take your cornbread by spoonfuls and put it over the beans and wieners. Try to get clear to the edges. I want to get mostly the middle first, and then I'll spread it out to the edges. Put it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After 25 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It's looking nice and golden brown. I'm going to let it set for a couple of minutes and then I will dish it up. So here is the corndog casserole. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This looks different.
That is corndog casserole.
Oh, corndog casserole. All right. Oh, it's got beans and all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, it's got baked beans and it's got barbecue sauce and onions.
Is that cornbread or are these real corn dogs?
No, that's cornbread.
That's pretty good. I bet your kids would have fun with that.
I think so.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.